Morning all of you. We are going to do multiple choice question true false and fill in the blanks of this chapter which you have recently read, a dragon. The narrator was standing on a wooden slope outside a tunnel. Your answer is wooden. You have to mark wooden. The narrator turned and ran to his father. The classy had a kerosene lamp. If you listen all the lecture carefully, you can answer this. In the tunnel there was a leopard. Yes, there were no lion, tigers or bear. They had gone about 20 yards into the tunnel. Yes, your answer is 20. Now come to the true and false statement. A red and yellow engine come snorting out of the blackness. False, because the engine was green. In India, the steam engine is not in use on some line. False. In India, steam engines is still in use on some lines. The classy had an electric torch in his hand. No, the classy had a kerosene lamp in his hand. Classy said that there was a deer in the tunnel. False. Leopard was a man-eater. False. Because leopard usually used to what? Only goats, village goats. Now come to the fill in the blanks. There is a monster coming out of its cave. There is a monster coming out of its cave. Children actually wept to the train. Yes, village children, after seeing the train, wept to it. Small wayside stations have always fascinated the narrator. Small. Every night the classy walked through the dark tunnel. Why? To inspect whether any animal is in it or not. He gave me a small hand axe to hold. Yes, who? The classy gave the narrator a small hand axe to hold. Now I am going to repeat it. Listen carefully. The narrator was standing on a wooden slope outside a tunnel. The narrator turned and ran to his father. The narrator turned and ran to his father, and what did he say? Father, father, there is a monster coming out of the cave. Remember, the classy had a kerosene lamp in his hand. In the tunnel there was a leopard. They had gone about 20 yards into the tunnel. Now come to the true and false. A red and yellow engines came snorting out of the blackness. False. In India, the steam engine is not in use on some line. False. The classy had an electric torch in his hand. False, because they had kerosene lamp. Classy said that there was a deer in the tunnel. False. Leopard was a man-eater. False. Come on, the fill in the blanks. There is a monster coming out of its cave. Children actually wept to the train. A small wayside stations have always fascinated the narrator. Every night the classy walked through the dark tunnel. He gave me a small hand axe to hold. Now what you have to do? You have to write it in your copy. Note down it in your copy and remember. And try to listen the story which were uploaded in the previous video. Try to listen it carefully, and after that go through the chapter multiple choice question, true and false statement, and fill in the blanks. Okay, we will talk about the question and answer of this chapter in the next video. Thank you all of you.